Janet, happy birthday sa'yo. May God bless you more. I pray and I declare good health sa'yo at sa iyong buong pamilya. And I also pray na i-enjoy mo ang moment na ito para sa'yo. And I also pray na patuloy kang magtiwala sa Panginoon at anumang sitwasyon na meron ka na hinaharap mo sa buhay mo at sa iyong pamilya, ang lahat ng ito ay magiging maayos. Salamat sa buhay mo, Ate Janet, and see you soon. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Janita Mare. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Janet. Wishing you a long and healthy life, and may God grant your heart's desires. Ingat po. Hope to see you soon.
Hello, buenos dias dyan sa Saudi. Happy birthday, Tita Janet. I wish ko lang sa'yo good health po palagi. Iwasan na po yung mga pagkain bawal para po malayo sa sakit. And then, I'm hoping na mapasyalan niyo po ako sa Qatar, nila Jane, ni Kevin, at saka ni Baby Sean, para magkita-kita naman po tayo. And then, enjoy po kayo sa celebration niyo dyan. Mag-iingat po kayong palagi. Hope to see you soon. And God bless po. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po, Mama La. Ingat ka po palagi. See you soon po. Love you po.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Tita Janet. Sini kami 16 ko. Birthday ako. Paranda kita yung swimming ko. Tinatawag ko kami. Masaya kami kong tigo. Dito ulit. Dito mga chika. Hindi ako sila. Dito ko sinigo. Ang dami. Ulit. Sabi ako, Ken. Bye-bye. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Wow, surprise! Happy birthday, Net! As you celebrate another year of life, I wish you nothing but the best. Enjoy your day and have a blast. Cuidado namin, teli ko dal apu. Hi Sian, hi Jane, and Habi. Bye!
Hello, Mang. Happy birthday. I wish you all the love, happiness, and good health. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Auntie Jan. Wish you all the best. Without your music. Pasalubong mo, huwag mo malimutan.
Happy birthday, Ate Janet Ibol. Many more birthdays to come and good health as always. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ning! Have a many birthdays to come and God bless always.
Happy birthday, Ate Janet. Unta daghang pag moabot na birthday sa imuha o na daghang healthy pa moabot sa imuha.
Hi, Ning. Happy birthday to all. Sana marami pang birthday na marating sa'yo at saka ingat lang palagi at saka amping lang. Kailangan mo ng support at saka sana maligaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Hi, Janet. Happy birthday. Good health. And sana masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ning! We wish you, see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ate Janet. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to celebrate.
We love you.
You're 50 years old, you're 50 years old, you're 50 years old today. You're 50 years old, you're 50 years old, you're 50 years old today.
Happy birthday, Tita Janet.
Janet, 15 years old ka na pala. Okay, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and more wonderful moments with your apos, and stay as you are. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come, more apos to come also. Okay, see you soon. Happy 50th birthday. God bless.
Hi Tita Janet, happy 50th birthday. God bless always and take care. And sana marami pang more birthdays to come. Bye. Love you.
Hi Tita Janet, happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best and I hope you will enjoy your celebration there in Saudi. We miss you here in the Philippines. Wow! That for real, we miss you here in the Philippines, most especially the Lutong Tita Janet. Yes! Enjoy and have fun there. We miss you. Happy birthday again. 50 ka na!
Okay, here I am now. No more students. Now I'm here to greet you on your very special 50th birthday for today. Happy birthday with good health, more blessings to come, and more birthdays to come. Enjoy yourself, enjoy you there. I miss you, my sister-in-law, Janet Ebol. Enjoy your birthday now, 2024. God bless you more. Bye-bye. Miss you.
Hello, Auntie Janet. Happy birthday. More birthday to come and stay a wonderful mom. And God bless you always, Ma.
Hi, Tita Janet. Happy and blessed birthday. I hope that God will continue to bless you and enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Janet. How are you? How old are you now? You're already 50? Hello? Hello, good morning. Janet, good morning. Happy birthday. May you have many birthday to come. Janet, tuhanda adibit yun. Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Take care always, Ma. Thank you for everything that you have done for us and for all the sacrifices. And we love you so much. See you soon.
See you soon, Mama. Take care. Yes, and always be a nice person. See you soon, Mama. Bibi already miss you.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Happy birthday. Love you, Mama. Take care, Mama, always. Live here, baby. Love you. Oh, say Mama, I love you. Mama, I love you. Happy birthday. Say, talk well.
You sing happy birthday.
Hey, say happy birthday, Mama. Say, hey, hello. Say hello, Mama. Happy birthday. Hello, say, hello, Mama. Happy birthday. Say.
I love you.
Hello. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday. Okay.
Ano masasabi mo birthday mo, Day?
Thank you.
50 na ka, Day.
50 na. Hindi ko maisip na 50 na.
Kupon.
50 ya ba yun? 17 lang yung kit. 50 ya dayo.
17 yun lang.
Antes ba? 17 lang yun. Kapag 50 yaman yung ara.
Kailangan siya.
I'm so blessed. Hindi ko yung 50.
Kusa pa man to kere.
Iba na Saudi.
Hasta kwando man to liga?
75.
75?
75.